And now this news. Apparently, from one specific college in Ontario, more than 450 students have claimed for asylum. Well, I can understand the frustration, and this number is only from one particular college, and this is for 2023. Obviously, there are more colleges and more students who would be claiming these asylums as well. My small advice, I mean, I can understand the frustration, I can understand how upset, angry people are, and they're resorting to these kind of options. But what happens is, after you file a claim for refugee, you file an asylum claim. Obviously, you can only do it if you have fear of persecution. Persecution basically means that you have fear for your life, that if you were to go back to your country, you fear for your life, and you will have to then prove it to the IRB. In most cases, and I'm absolutely certain in most of these cases, they really have no fear of persecution, and therefore these cases will be denied. So all that you are getting is few extra months, years to stay in Canada, of course, but eventually you will be asked to leave Canada. So please do not fall into these traps that are being promoted by some consultants or lawyers or others out there who are trying to make some money out of your frustration, out of your depressing situation at this point of time. Don't fall into this trap, because what will happen is, once you file this claim for asylum or refugee, you have pretty much closed all other options, all other doors for yourself. As a refugee claimant, as an asylum claimant, you will also have lost any chances for any other visas in different countries, because most countries are not very welcoming to people who have made such claims. And of course, those are failed claims as well. Not only that, as an asylum claimant, you will also not have access to any other immigration program in Canada as well. Well, the solution here instead would be, go back to your country, no problem. Gain work experience, sometimes foreign work experience, sometimes work experience in a specific priority occupation which is now in demand, and therefore have a better chance, better option to apply for the permanent residence through those options. PNP options, though difficult, are not yet closed, so don't shut your doors onto them either. But filing for a refugee or asylum, unless and until you really have a good reason to do so, is not a good idea.